How to trade Forex MT5 in pocket option. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily trade the Forex MT5 on your pocket option app. First thing first, go ahead and open up your pocket option application. And once you are logged in, this will be your home page. And at the top right corner, you'll find the QT Real USD option. Tap on that drop down, and then this pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you have your QT Real balance, your QT demo balance, and then right below there you'll see the Forex or any other thing that is on the drop down. So go ahead and click on that and another menu will pop up on your screen. Here is your Forex MT5 Real, Forex MT5 Demo, Forex MT4 Real, and MT4 Demo, as well as your shares. So if you want to trade with Forex MT5 Real, tap on the first option. And now you've successfully selected the Forex MT5 Real. And you can now start buying and selling your shares and your assets from here. So if you want to trade with volume, you can enter that, tap on buy, and you could do that as well. So that's how you easily trade with Forex MT5 in pocket option. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.